Hello, it's Mrs. Reyes again. So we're talking about 4.10. We're actually going to skip the first two pages because these two problems are really difficult and we're not there yet. The class and I went over it, but it literally took about an hour to just do these two problems. So that's not going to be on the test. It's just not something we're ready for as a class. So we are going to move on to page 249. So on page 249, it starts out with this problem, and it says that Erin's mother is making lemonade. For each pitcher of lemonade, she's going to use 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of sugar, and 6 cups of water. So the question is what is the total number of cups of ingredients that she is going to use to make 5 pitchers of lemonade? So for these types of problem, when you're figuring out more than one item, such as lemon juice, sugar, water, total amount of cups, then we're going to make a table. And so this right here, here's that make a table. So this right here is what a table is. And a table is basically just a rectangle, and you're going to make columns and rows to keep all of your information nice and organized and neat. So the labels of our columns is going to be how many pitchers, how many cups of lemon juice, how many cups of sugar, how many cups of water, and finally how many cups there's going to be all together. So in pitchers, as you follow that row across, you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because that is the amount of pitchers. And then we just need to fill in our rest of our information. So for every 1 pitcher, there's only 1 cup of lemon juice. So for 2 pitchers, there'd be 2 cups of lemon juice. For 3 cups, there'd be 3 cups of lemon juice, and so on for 4 and 5. Now you're going to notice the sugar is going to be exactly the same because there's only 1 cup of sugar per pitcher. So in the pitchers for the sugar, we've got 1 cup for 1, 2 for 2, 3 for 3, 4 for 4, 5 for 5. Now the water is a little bit different because for every single pitcher, we get 6 cups of water. So in 2 pitchers, we have to take 2 times 6, which is 12. For 3 pitchers, we're going to say 3 times 6, which is 18. For 4 pitchers, we're going to say 4 times 6, which is 24. And for 5 pitchers, we're going to say 5 times 3, which is 30. And then for this last part, there are 8 cups in 1 pitcher. And I know that according to the information that was already given in my table. So that means if I have 2 pitchers, I can get 16 cups because 2 times 8 is 16. For 3 pitchers, I can get 24 cups. For 4 pitchers, I can get 32 cups. And for 5 pitchers, I can get 40 cups. So now that all the information has been reported in my table, and this is my recordings, my findings, I can actually answer my question. I'm going to say, so in 5 pitchers of lemonade, there's going to be 5 cups of lemon juice, because this is the big column we're looking at. And there's going to be 5 cups of sugar, 30 cups of water, and it's going to make a total of 40 cups of ingredients, or 40 cups of lemonade. So now that we've answered our question, I'm actually going to take 2 and 3 off the table, because again, a little bit more complicated than what I would like. So go ahead and for practice for this, you can work on 6 and 7. They're fairly easy. You can do number 4 as well. It's very simple. But I'm actually going to take the homework page off the table too, just because it's a little bit more complicated than really where I want to go at this point. So once we have more of our facts down with multiplication, we can do more. So hope this helps, Zoe. So just do your best, and then I'll see you on Tuesday morning at 8:40, and we'll go over it.